let's say if you hit a pump very hard, so if you have to replace the battery,
Yeah.
so you don't need to replace all the four because, I mean, let's say if you wanted to understand the costing of the battery, it's about 30% of the cost of the vehicle. Yeah. So that's what you have divided into four parts. So you can just one part at a time. Like that. Otherwise, the manufacturer warranty is for 8 years and 1,62,000 kilometers. These batteries are maintenance-free batteries or you can manufacture? Basically, this car doesn't need
So I'm just test driving my first machine. This is Mercedes EQC, and we are going on a test drive. I'm going to test two more brands. So if you can guess the third brand which I might be test driving and buying them, so I'll take you on a test drive. So let's start the journey. So this is an all electric one with green plates and completely electric.
there are hydrostatic sensors. So let's say even if it sense moisture very close to the circuit, not even water, just moisture, it will give you a pop-up. And if the moisture accumulation is low, then it will cut the circuit as well. Because it's all DC current that's right. The current.
Fine, let's move it. Yeah, come.
Please,
So
sir, we'll
just
come over, I'll guide you through all this.
yeah, sure. Side in bhai. Side in bhai.
Okay, so the seat adjustments are here, sir. This is how you go ahead, back, up, and down. Go ahead here. I think I should take the paper out one thing. It was a little slippery from the Yeah.
Himanshu, say hi to camera.
Hi. Driving Mercedes for the first time. After sitting inside a Mercedes for the first time.
So Himanshu, do give me your honest feedback on how the suspension and everything is there. What is the torque for this?
So 760 Newton meters.
Oh, okay, great.
If you want to adjust the steering, this is tilt and telescope electronics as per your. This is fine for now. Engine start stop. Okay. The gear lever selector is this lever. So straight down is drive, straight up is reverse. This is your parking brake. You press it. This is the.
So right now I cannot drive because I have stitches in my hand.
Straight down is
My hand is in plaster, but soon I'll be test driving it.
Straight up, reverse is reverse. Yeah. Okay. And press enter. No, that is nothing. It's just the button. Yeah, you just have to tap it, enter, and the parking brake goes on.
Okay, that is parking brake. Oh, there's no lever or as such. Yeah?
Nothing.
Okay. And this is for the mirror.
This is for the mirror. I think you need to start.
Okay. So there's no noise. It's all.
Nothing. It will start buzzing up till the speed of 35 kilometers per hour. That is for active pedestrian safety.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's someone around the gate soon as the car is on. So there are speakers in the front bumpers. Which make
Okay, great.
Okay. So I just need to put my.
You need to press the brake pedal and start the car.
Okay.
It's ready to drive, so the vehicle's on.
Okay. So if I release the pedal, brake pedal, will it start moving or?
No, first you need to engage the gear. You need to go and drive.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need to press the horn. It's India.
Yes.
So I just put it on D.
Straight down, it's drive. Yeah. Okay. C stands for the mode that you're driving.
Okay,
on.
once you release the brake pedal, it starts moving.
Yeah, because the torque.
Okay. So I don't feel anything. No engine.
Nothing. This is super smooth performance.
So there is this asynchronous.
Two asynchronous.
Yeah.
One on
Okay.
each axle.
What exactly is it like?
It's the motor which actually generates the power.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
from the battery.
So on different modes, like on eco mode and the other modes as well, the things automatically change.
Yeah.
Okay.
So your steering response will change. Your throttle will change.
Okay.
So throttle will be a lot more smoother if you're driving on eco or comfort mode, but
Okay.
more aggressive on
Okay,
sports
okay.
mode. The steering that you get in the car is something called as a direct assist steer system.
Okay.
So it's speed sensitive and
Okay.
mode sensitive as well.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Did not warn me. I was
Because you
not
didn't cross the speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Yeah.
Okay. So 15 kilometer is the warning limit for
Yeah,
that. Yeah. Okay.
And this is a CPU unit right now in India.
Okay.
what is that?
It's a completely built unit. It's directly
Completely built unit.
Yeah, it's shipped from Germany. It's not made.
I see,
Made in the Chatham plant. The suspension that the car is running on is actually a mix of two different technologies. So in Mercedes we have something called as agility control suspension that you get in the C class and the E class family. So what that means is it's basically a multi-link suspension, but it has a selective dampening system. So
Okay.
what happens there is, as per the road conditioner, the dampeners adjust themselves
On all the both.
on
I mean,
all the four wheels, all the four wheels. But here in the EQC they have added two air bellows at the rear axle
Okay.
because it carries a lot of weight,
Uh-huh.
so that the drive doesn't become very bumpier, and then it's good to soak up the bumps as well on the road, because the wheel that it is running on is pretty high. It's a 20-inch wheel, R20. So up ahead you get something called as the multi-beam LED.
Uh-huh.
It's the most advanced technology I can see right now when it comes to headlamp system. It has an ultra range of 650 meters. As per the speed, I mean, depends on the speed that you're driving here.
Now, I don't know where to put my this left hand because I'm used to put it on my.
Right on the gear. Hey, you can use the handle. That's it. Nothing else. There's no gearbox. There's absolutely nothing.
So who are the immediate competitors for this model? I guess no one.
Right now, there's no one.
Okay.
But very soon, the I-Pace will come.
Okay.
And the Audi, they're launching the.
Okay.
Series.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Which side is the indicators?
The left ones. The left ones.
The left ones.
Yeah. Like all the German cars.
This was launched in October, right?
October, yeah.
And so far, how many models did you mention yesterday?
25 have been
25 have been
Yeah.
sold. Okay, fine.
And
And-
when the R&D was going on for the car,
Hmm.
sir, it was done in 4 different continents.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
India was also a part where the testing was done.
Yeah, yeah. But primarily, this is launched at India continent, right? Indian context only it is launched, because like in Europe and all, they have not done much in electric segment, right? Mercedes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even in US, there is no EQC.
Yeah. So why so company has strategically chosen like
Because
India?
India is a very volatile market, so you never know what people will like. They always like something which is very different.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, see, that's the reason Tesla is coming to India all of a sudden.
Yeah. So
know?
I had a question for you regarding Tesla. I'll ask you by the end of our test ride. So let's see. So you were saying that Tesla is coming to India, yeah? But you can.
So now the thing is, I mean, even the government is very interested as well to get Tesla as soon as possible, and that's the reason they are, focusing on making more and more charging stations as well.
So that's a good that's
a
thing
good
that.
because everybody will get there.
Yeah.
I mean, even if you look at the mass segment right now, the EV cars are doing pretty well. I mean, the next round.
Himanshu Priyali is in the balcony. Okay, she just commented.
They're doing very well.
Hmm.
Right? I mean, premium segment, the only problem is, when a person is looking to spend 1 crore rupees kind of thing on an EQ car, he might also expect a little bit of more of practicality. So let's say if you had to travel from here to Bangalore, I mean, you can't do it in one charge.
One charge, yeah. 400 kilometers is the claimed one, yeah.
400 plus as per any DC cycle.
Yeah.
But in actual conditions, it differs and depends on how you drive and stuff like that.
Okay, great.
But you got various level of regenerative braking. You got coasting options, so everything can be done to make more out of the same energy that's there in the car. It's pretty fast. It does 0 to 100 in 5.1.
I was trying to test that, but
It's very
this
fast.
isn't the route.
Only thing I'm concerned about this ground clearance thing, because like when you were coming also to my place, I was just checking out.
But I believe what he said, no, the battery pack has to go somewhere. So even
That is
other
correct.
models will
I
have the same.
yes,
All EV cars
yes.
is the same.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yes, I totally agree. But then the solution has to be found out regarding this, because you know Indian roads cannot change overnight.
Very sad. That is one point of concern. And the problem is, if we make it more higher, the amount of power that the car carries, you'll not be able, the car would not be stable, because
Yeah.
then I'm also getting the center of gravity up.
Yeah.
So it will not work in the favor of the performance number that you see in the car.
So once my this plaster is removed, I'll be testing it personally,
Sure thing,
and we are going to pick up one more friend from Greenfield. So he'll also. You
Like
just
the number of how accurate is this? I mean,
It's actually shows you instantaneous mileage, as per the
Okay.
current driving that you're doing. If you're driving better, if the vehicle's coasting, then the range increases. And this is the new MBUX system.
okay.
It has its own artificial intelligence. You can speak to the cars, give her commands. It's all touch as well. They have your controls from the steering wheel to control the media. And you have various themes. You can change the way the cluster looks.
So everyone who is watching, we are test riding Mercedes EQC, and on the right side you can see our upcoming office, which is going to come in Symphony IT Park. So far so good, Himanshu?
Yeah, excellent. So far, it's so fun. Give me this ride and I'll just keep on riding. Is there any reserve pack or something like that? If you drain out everything, then
There's no reserve. If you drain out, then you start coming.
there's nothing jump start or anything.
Is there a mobility service, like if we call, if you're stuck?
Is there.
Yeah,
Is there,
right?
But they won't have the charger, no, with them.
Yeah, but then at least like we'll be saved, right?
They can tow you. That's what they do. But yeah.
Because this Tesla has a very amazing mobility service in US. My brother owns Tesla, so he has shared his experience that it's very good, and even the charging stations
have
are very
mobile
good.
chargers and stuff
Yes,
like
yes,
that.
yes, very much actually for electrical vehicle. That's the segment, and but then if we all come into ecosystem and then do good, as you said that more charging stations and everything is coming, then that would
Eventually
be.
that is going to happen.
That is going to happen.
That is
Yes,
going
yes,
to happen,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
Because looking at the government vision as well, where they actually want to electrify everything
Yeah.
by the next 10 odd years.
Fuel prices have crossed century now.
Yeah,
They have to.
And you never know when it goes up. I mean,
Yeah.
up every
Pretty.
day.
Yeah.
To change the gear.
Gear into the third.
Greenfields.
And this is the first step of Mercedes towards electric. So very soon we are getting the EQS and the EQA as well.
Okay.
EQS will be the next car, I think, which is coming to India.
सुहास सर को बुलाओ ना. सुहास सर को बुलाओ ना. सुहास सर को बुलाओ, अर्जेंट है. उन्होंने बोला था आपको बोलने के लिए. बुलाओ ये.
I'll just put it parking.
Can you tell me more about the dashboard till my friend
Yeah,
comes?
so these are two 10.25 inches screens.
हाँ.
And you can control them differently.
Okay.
This is completely touch, as well as you have a touchpad here to adjust it, or
Okay.
you have a touchpad here as well.
हाँ, मास्क पहन ना.
There's an EQ specific
Ah.
screen. I mean, when you go to this,
Ah.
it starts showing you the charging
Ah.
options, the consumption that the car is giving you
Okay.
per kilowatt hour.
Okay.
It shows you the energy flow. I was telling you, right? I mean,
Yeah.
how does the energy flow from
Yes,
one motor?
yes,
So it will
yes,
show
yes,
you
yes.
Okay.
Exactly
Okay.
when you're accelerating, which motors is kicking when and how's the energy
Okay,
flow,
okay.
stuff like that.
It shows in real time, right?
It shows in real time.
Okay.
This gives you more idea about how much gas and braking that you're doing on the car, or maybe let's say how much of angle degree. So this is more like an off-road feature. Just in case if you plan to do off-roading, I mean, it gives you a lot of information here. And then the next option is your owner's manual. So in every Mercedes, you have like an inbuilt system to give you more details and that. And the same screen you can have. I mean, there's a shortcut key here. There's the dynamic select. So dynamic select it tells you the mode that you get to drive the car. Starting off with eco, then you have comfort, sport, and individual. Individual is something in which you can have the configuration as per yourself. So let's say if you want an engine to be in sport, but your steering to be in comfort, you can do that in individual.
Okay. What does this comfort do? I mean,
Comfort
adjust your
is-
suspension or something like that?
This is the dampener, this is the steering.
तू बैठना आगे तू आजा पीछे
All right.
You sit na in front. You don't want to drive kya?
Sorry?
You don't want to test drive?
Yes.
So he'll come. He has explained to us. So it's his restaurant only. You have come to this restaurant, Greenfield?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So he's the owner of Greenfield Garden Restaurant.
Hello, sir.
My very good friend. So Suhas, give me your honest opinion once you test drive it. Okay. Same thing, same thing. Yeah. So can you give him pointers before he start driving?
So this is the EQC 400 4MATIC, sir. 4MATIC, I mean, it's a four-wheel drive system, but this is a power on demand four-wheel drive system. So initially it's front wheel biased. So when you accelerate initially, it's only the front motor which kicks in, but as and when required, the rear motor kicks in as well. And they collectively give you a power of 408 brake horsepower and 765 Newton meters of torque. And since there is no IC engine, so there is no RPM. So at any RPM, you're getting the maximum power. And then there's no gearbox as well, so it's complete RAM. The battery is an 80 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery. Yeah, fully. The gear lever is that one. So all you need to do is press the brake and that lever. Yeah, this is the gear lever. Just straight down as you go to drive. And now you're in drive, you'll have to accelerate. This is your indicator. The paddle shifters here in this car are for regenerative braking. Because usually they are for like manually shifting the gears, but here it regen. Oh, the car also comes with the active brake assist system.
Okay.
It has a partial radar system. What it does is, in a worst case scenario, under the speed of 70 kilometers per hour, the car can auto brake itself.
Oh, okay.
Both
Great.
the front as well as the
There
back.
are 7 airbags or 8 airbags?
I think there's 7 airbags.
7 airbags. Okay, fine.
There's 8 airbags.
Fine.
Everything, I mean, till the last seat pillar, everything is all covered.
Pretty chill.
You also have Mercedes-Benz patented pre-safe system. You have the post-safe system. So if an impact is about to happen, the car will, automatically do some of the precautionary measures that you won't even get to know. Like that. Same way it has post-safe system. So let's say unfortunately a collision happens. So what happens is the windows roll down automatically by 3 inches. The hazardous lights go on. The power supply is completely cut. So, you're in a better situation at the end. You have adaptive brake lights. So, let's say if you do emergency braking above 120, those brake lights starts flashing. So that if someone's coming from behind, he gets to know there's something under the car. And this is a CPU unit for now, sir. The EQC. This is a CPU unit. And it's made on the GLC platform or the C-Class family. That's why it's called the EQC. And it senses the touch sensing, right? Yeah, total 12 ultrasonic parking sensors, 6 at the front, 6 at the rear. This comes with the Parkatronic assistance package. So what that means is the car can completely auto park and depark itself as well. Both.
What is the last long, like for how many kilometers those ones?
As per the NEDC cycle, it is 400 plus.
Okay.
Yeah.
400 plus, you mean to say 400?
400 plus, I mean, the maximum number that they've been able to get it out when they were testing was 451. Because it totally depends on the driving scenario, the road conditions and stuff like that.
So for this you need a charging port or something?
Yeah. Mercedes is giving you two charging options. Both of them are AC chargers, but one is something that you can carry it anywhere because it just gets connected to the 15 amp socket. And the second one is a 7.4 kilowatt AC wallbox charger, for which you need a 3-phase connection. But then that will charge your car in just about 9 hours from 10 to 100%. And in the other case, where you get the SAN cable for 15 amp socket, there it charges it in about 21 hours for like 9 to 10, from 10 to 100%.
So for this DC one, only thing is like they have some regulations like where to fit or any permissions they have to take, or like on
DC
special
charging
request,
you need
industrial power.
you need
So
permission
if we
from
have
the-
industry and we
you
are,
can set up a DC charger.
we can set up, right?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can.
Okay.
And it's the cost is slightly higher, but then it can be done.
Okay.
Because the one
And that would be a private one, right?
private on.
Okay.
So we have one installed at the MB Chakan plant.
Okay.
Yeah, for DC charging. But that setup costed about 18 lakh rupees for that one setup.
Okay.
But then it
cool.
charges, it's like a supercharger.
Yeah,
Charges
because
very fast, yeah. And the music system that you get in this car is the Burmester 13 speaker surround system.
Oh, cool.
Same from the SR family.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. The colors for the ambient light that you see are 64 colors. So you can change, as per your mood, you can change the color.
Even the air vents are pretty designed, very cool, right?
The
I
popperish
noticed
kind of
that,
finish,
yeah.
it's just very nice. I think personally when you sit inside this car, you really feel fresh and something different.
Absolutely.
You can throttle it up, so you'll understand the car.
No, my dad is scared, so that's
This is still not on sport.
No, bumper
It's comfort. The power is so intense. I'll tell you, we were going for the AMG drive last month. So there were two SLC 43, there was a Gallardo, and we were driving this. And we were at about 40, 50ish, and everyone stand on the accelerator, this just zoomed past because there's no lag, absolutely, there's no lag. So unfortunately, the electric cars in India
So
are
what is the top speed?
it's electronically limited to 180.
180.
Yeah, as per government regulations.
Otherwise, it would have gone more.
Yeah.
There's our office coming soon.
Is this building, sir?
What is the cost?
So this is a 99 lakhs 30,000 ex showroom, and on road it's about 1 crore 7 lakhs. Because there's no RTO, nothing. It's just your ex showroom insurance, TCS, and stuff like that.
So the pricing for individual as well as the company is
It's the
same,
same,
right?
it's the same.
Yeah.
And there's no RTO as well, so it makes a difference only if there's an RTO. Because for
Okay.
individual registration, for normal car, for a CKD car, it's 15%. Company is 20%. Ex-showroom remains-
Service and everything would be done by BU Bhandari itself, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for 5 years, I was just telling sir, the comprehensive service package is free.
Okay.
Inside it includes the cost.
Okay.
You have 8 years, 1,60,000 kilometers warranty of the battery.
Okay.
5 years unlimited kilometers warranty for the car. So I think personally for the first 5 years, you don't have to think anything else apart from the tire.
आप आए नहीं ना
तू मुझे भी नहीं बुला रहा
अरे यार मैं क्या बोलूं तुझे
ग्रीन कलर
नो 15th floor
this building
हाँ ये बिल्डिंग में 15th floor
I really like this system. Yeah. This one I really liked, Himanshu, like this feature.
हाँ this one
Yeah.
The rear one, as per acceleration. Yeah.
So that time automatically the
Rear one is. See, the moment you remove the foot from the throttle, it starts regenerating.
okay.
The moment you start accelerating, the color changes because it's using the energy.
So Suhas, what we'll do is from Masavri we'll take a U-turn and we'll sit on that hut section and I'll discuss the further terms with him. Or you want to test drive more?
1 करोड़ कितना बोला?
7 लाख.
7 लाख. बहुत देख.
And it's unique as well, sir. I mean, right now we have got an order, but that car will be delivered in the month of April.
So right now you got the order
Yeah, I mean.
in the month of? Okay. And it would be delivered in April.
होना चाहिए.
Uh-huh.
Shock absorber.
I mean, you feel it
Yeah.
soft.
No, it's not soft actually. It's bouncy.
Stiff.
Uh,
It should be stiff. You should not feel. I think it's because of the weight or something.
it's because of the weight.
See, the exactly like this. I guess it touched the ground, right?
Yeah,
So I was asking him. That's the only problem I have with this model, because I'd done detailed research about it. That's why. Yeah.
ये सब गाड़ियाँ देख सीधा ही सब 30 लाख के ऊपर वाला गाड़ी सब स्लो चलाने का.
Speed breakers, sir.
Yeah.
So just take a U-turn from here and let's go head back to Greenfield and have a cup of tea. You want to get down, Dad?
No.
No? You're coming with us?
No.
Okay.
I think my bike, no?
You.
I'll get down.
Okay, fine. So you are coming to Greenfield now? Or you're going home?
I'll come.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
अरे एक सेकंड.
1 second, no?
एक सेकंड.
हाँ चल.
വൈഫ് വിടങ്ങ
Eh?
മനുഷ്യന്റെ വൈഫ് വിടങ്ങ
Bike का बताना है.
ബൈക്ക്
चल.
വൈഫ്
No, it's still on neutral. Straight down. Just yeah.
What are the more features?
We have MBUX, so we have, okay, so we also have an eSIM card inside the car, sir. So what that means is the car has its own network. So via
Oh.
the application, you can control a lot of features of the cars as well.
Okay.
In the EQC, you can even do pre-cooling.
Okay.
You can have geofencing. You can have things like.
Okay,
speed
so we
alert.
can do geofencing
Yeah,
also?
yeah,
Oh, that's great.
geofencing, Valet assist.
Oh, great.
It will also tell you how's the battery life, how much of the range, everything it gives you access to the remote locking and unlocking of the car as well.